What's up, Slime Squad? Today I'm testing 5 no-glue slime recipes. Let's get started. For this first no-glue slime, I'm using clear peel-off face mask. I put a couple tablespoons in a bowl. Next, I add a little yellow food coloring. You don't have to add food coloring, but I love the way it looks in clear slime. For my activator, I'm using a little borax and water mixture. You could use contact lens solution if you'd rather. Just stir it up really well and blend everything together. To add some pop to my slime, I'm adding some fruity Milleforey beads. This is obviously optional, but I just think it's so pretty in this yellow slime. For some reason, this is making me thirsty for some fruit juice. For this next slime, I used about 1/4 cup of flour. The second ingredient is hand soap. I put several good pumps of hand soap into the flour and then mixed it up with a spoon. This looks like cottage cheese. Mine was still a little wet, so I added some more flour. Then I just kneaded and rolled it in my hands to finish blending. Of course, I had to add some glitter. If you have glitter, you should always add glitter. I mean, come on guys. Slime number 2 down. Next up, I'm starting with coconut water shampoo because, well, this stuff is amazing. Then I add a couple drops of red and blue food coloring and blended. Again, this is totally optional. Next, I added a little bit of water and made sure everything was mixed really well. Time for some salt. Don't add too much. A pinch or two will do the job. What do you think? Do we have slime? This coconut shampoo is crazy. If you don't have this, you've got to get some. For this slime, I'm using Play-Doh to start with. Then I added several pumps of hand lotion. Mix and knead the Play-Doh and lotion together really well. At first, the Play-Doh keeps tearing, but eventually they combine. What's next? You guessed it, glitter! This recipe is more like butter slime. As you can see, it stretches far better than Play-Doh by itself. It doesn't get much easier than this. How about an edible no-glue slime? I started out by filling a bowl with mini marshmallows, then I put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds. Careful, it's hot! I stirred this up to make sure that all the marshmallows were melted. Next, I added some powdered sugar. Then I mixed and kneaded this until I could form a stretchy ball. Now, I can't add glitter to an edible slime, so I added the next best thing. Sprinkles! Yeah, okay, I went a little crazy with the sprinkles. And that, Slime Squad, isn't just a no-glue slime, it's also delicious.